If you've decided to enter the world of cryptocurrency, you've likely heard that one of the things you'll need to get started is a crypto exchange. So what is a crypto exchange? I'm Jen, and I'm here today with CryptoVantage to explain what an exchange is and why you'll need one. I'll also be sure to leave a link in our resources section down below so you can easily find CryptoVantage's top recommended exchanges and decide which one is right for you. If you find today's video useful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can continue to explore the world of cryptocurrency with us. And if you have more crypto-curious thoughts on your mind, leave us a comment down below or head on over to cryptovantage.com where you'll find tons of great resources, news, and information. All right, so you've done your homework. You know the difference between Bitcoin and blockchain. Maybe you've even acquired a wallet to store your cryptocurrency in. So what's the best way to actually acquire crypto? For most people, the easiest way is to purchase cryptocurrency using a crypto exchange. It's easy, fast, and provided you use a reputable exchange, safe. The concept of a cryptocurrency exchange shouldn't be too hard to understand for anyone that's ever had to offload US dollars for euros or Japanese yen for Canadian dollars. Cryptocurrency exchanges work much the same way, but for digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Generally, there are three distinct reasons people use cryptocurrency exchanges. 1, to buy cryptocurrency with traditional fiat currency like US dollars or euros. 2, to trade two different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And 3, to sell cryptocurrency for fiat currency. Crypto exchanges have existed from the early days of Bitcoin, as users looked to convert their US dollars into newly minted BTC. They've improved significantly over the years, and it's now easier than ever to sign up and buy your first crypto. So, what should you look for in a crypto exchange? Most users rank security, low fees, solid interface, and an easy sign-up process as the most important factors when selecting an exchange. Some of the other important features you might want to consider are the number of different cryptocurrencies available and the overall volume of users. It's also a good idea to check and see if the exchange you want to use is actually available where you live. Security is perhaps the most important factor of all because no one wants to use an exchange where they might get hacked or scammed. Fortunately, security is where crypto exchanges have improved the most over the last 5 years. Modern crypto exchanges have massive security teams in addition to third-party certification, offline storage, and even insurance coverage in some cases. Now, you might be wondering what you need to do to open an account at a cryptocurrency exchange. Most exchanges employ some form of KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. That means you'll likely have to provide some form of identification, so you might have to scan your driver's license or passport. Sometimes you might even have to provide an up-to-date photo. You'll also have to provide the exchange with information like your home address, date of birth, and social security number. Some exchanges, especially ones that only let you trade crypto for crypto, don't actually require a lot of KYC, and you can sign up with just an email address. But if you're looking to swap dollars for Bitcoin, there's a good chance you'll have to provide at least some amount of KYC. Once you've actually acquired a significant amount of crypto, it's generally a good idea to take at least some of it off the exchange and store it on a personal wallet. As I mentioned earlier, the security of crypto exchanges has improved significantly over the years, but nothing beats being your own bank with the support of a hardware wallet. So there you have it. Now you know what a crypto exchange is and how it works. If you're ready to explore the different crypto exchanges that are available to you, check out our resources section where you can find a link to our most highly recommended exchanges to help you decide which one best suits your needs. Have another crypto question on your mind? Let us know what it is in the comment section below. And as always, before you go, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more crypto videos we have coming your way. Thanks for tuning in.